Today, we're diving into the fascinating evolution of databases, from the traditional SQL systems to the innovative world of vector and graph databases. Whether you're a developer, data scientist, or just a tech enthusiast, this video will help you understand how database technology has transformed over the years. So, let's get started. Back in the day, relational databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL dominated. They used tables, rows, and columns. Perfect for structured data and transactional applications. But as data grew more complex, think social networks, recommendation systems, relational models faced limitations. They struggle with relationships and unstructured data. Enter graph databases like Neo4j and Amazon Neptune. They excel at handling highly connected data, like social graphs, fraud detection, or supply chains, by representing data as nodes and relationships. Next up, vector databases, think Pinecone, Weaviate, are revolutionizing AI and machine learning. They store high-dimensional vectors, enabling fast similarity searches for images, text, and embeddings. Why the shift? Because modern data needs to be more flexible, scalable, and AI-ready. SQL is great for structured data, but vector and graph databases unlock new possibilities for complex, unstructured, and interconnected data. From structured tables to interconnected graphs and high-dimensional vectors. Database technology continues to evolve to meet our data-driven world.